Good morning class 8, subject maths, chapter 5, circle and its elements. Okay students, now we discuss what is circle. What is circle? A circle is a collection of points which has a fixed distance from a specific point called the center of the circle. Means circle का एक collection of points है. जैसे आपको यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहा है? ये arc type से दिख रहा है, but actually it is a collection of points like this. And these all points have a fixed distance from a specific point. This is a specific point, and this is known as center of the circle. So these all points have the fixed distance from this specific point. Means you can say the radius of a circle is equal. The radius of a circle is equal. It can possible to have many radius. This is all like this. Suppose we name the center as a O. OA, OB, OC, OD, OE, OF, all are equal. Means OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD is equal to OE is equal to OF, etc. So much. So students, you understood. Or in a simple way, I have written a second definition. A circle is a round shaped figure. Round shape means golakar. Okay, which has no corner or edge. This is for means your simple, very simple. Corner means like this, and edge means what? This is a side. These are edge, and this is a corner. This is a corner. Okay, students. A circle is a round shape which has no corner or edge. In simple definition, you can say. And this is a very specific definition. You all have to learn this definition. Now we will discuss about its other elements. Okay students, now we will discuss the first element of circle is radius. Okay, so what is radius? A line joining to the center to circle. A line joining to the center to circle. Here is a center and this is circle. So this line is joined from center to circle. So this is what? A point O and this is A. So OA is a radius. Now same as O, and here is point B. OB. OB is also a radius. Now here is O and this is C. So OC is also a radius. So students, you can say the line joining to center to circle is called radius, and the plural form of radius is radii. So all the radii of a circle are equal. All the radii of a circle are equal. So here I have written radii OA is equal to OB is equal to OC. All the radii of a circle are equal. Okay students, now we will discuss some more elements. Okay students, let's see some other elements about the circle. So first is here I have written chord. What is chord? A line joining to one point of a circle to another point is called chord. Suppose see here, this is one point on circle and this is another point on circle. So this line joined together. So this is what chord. CD is a chord. This is called chord. Same as AB. AB is also chord. ABCD are what? Chord. Now EF. See, this point is on circle and this point is on circle. So EF is also chord. Now PQ. PQ is also chord. Now MN is also chord. M is a one point on circle and N is another point on circle. So it is what? MN is also a chord. So students, MN, PQ, EF, AB, CD are chord, and that is nearest to center will be longest chord. Now see what is diameter. Now the next point is diameter. A chord that is passes through the center is called diameter. You can say diameter is also a chord, but diameter is the longest chord. Diameter is also chord, but it is longest chord because it passes through the center, and it's called all the property of a chord. Means chord does what? Chord is a line that connects two points on circle. So here A and B are 2 points on circle, and it is passes through the center also. So it is a chord and it is a longest chord. Okay students, and see there are some results. Diameter is the longest chord and diameter is equal to 2 because the distance it is a center, and O to A is what? Center to circle is known as radius. I denoted from R. And here is O to B. O to A is also center to circle. So this is also radius. So R plus R is what? 2R. And the AB is what? Completely AB. This diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Okay students, now we will discuss some more points. Okay students, now we will discuss some more elements of circle. Here is what? Circumference. What is circumference? Circumference of a circle is its complete distance from a starting point to end point. And you know, in a circle, if you make a round in a circle, then the starting point and ending point will be the same, but direction is changed. Suppose you start from A like this and end also on point A. So the distance covered by you, this whole distance that you covered through a circular path, is known as circumference. And the formula for circumference is pi d, where pi is equal to a constant value 22 upon 7 and d is a diameter of circle. Whatever the value will be given, diameter of circle. Okay students, now see, this is the circumference of circle, about circumference, or you can say another formula 2 pi r, where r is the radius. R means radius of a circle. These are two formula to find the circumference of circle. Now we discuss what is arc. An arc is a part of circumference. What is arc? Arc is a part of circumference. Suppose see, here I have denoted a point A, B and a point X and point Y. So suppose I have divided it like this. If I divide it, that division I have made here. Okay. So one is A, X, Y. So A, X, Y is what? It is a part of circle. So it is a measure arc. ये बड़ा है, जो बड़ा arc को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Measure arc. And A, Y, B. This is what? This is minor arc. Minor means छोटा arc. Okay students, sometimes you get confused. See here, A, X, B, Y. This is AB is an exact part. AB, if you join AB, then it passes through the center, and it make what? It make a diameter. So AXB is what? It is also a semicircle because it divide half. इसमें कोई भी बड़ा नहीं है, इधर से भी ये बड़ा नहीं है, ये भी बड़ा नहीं, दोनों इक्वल है. So it would be a what? AXB arc is a what? Semicircle, and AYB arc is what? It is also a semicircle. Okay students, now we will discuss some more parts also. Okay students, let's see two more elements of a circle. What is this segment? A segment is an area bounded by chord of a circle. If we draw a chord, suppose I have drawn, this is a circle and I have drawn a chord AB. So this area is what? This is a smaller area and it is bounded by chord. So it is what? Minor segment. छोटा area ना ये. This is what? Minor segment. And this is means yellow color area, and this blue color area is what? It is big and it is also bounded by chord AB. So it is a major segment. Okay students, see, it is a major segment and this is minor segment. Same as next element is what? Sector. A sector is an area bounded by radius of a circle. In this, see here, this is a radius OB, OA, and there are two areas bounded by these two radius. One is this area and another is this area. So this is what? This is a smallest area, so it is a minor sector, and this is a biggest area, so it is a major sector. The segment and sector is very confusing, so you always clear. Segment is bounded by chord and sector is bounded by radius. Okay students, now we discuss exercise question answer in the next video. This is only explanation. If you want to note down, then note in your fair notebook, or you understood, then it is okay. Okay, thank you. We will discuss other questions in the next video. This is explanation part only.